Okay, guys, I am very, very excited. I actually had something hand delivered to me today. And this is what it is. You see this? Hand delivered. So, guys, they say it's an invitation, but I never got an invitation quite like this. So, I wanted to share it with you. So let's open it up together. Kind of excited. Let's see. It's my name, guys. Look at there. Ah, so nice. Look at here. Never had an invitation like this. It must be something special. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at here. So nice. Oh my God. Guys. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Look at here, guys. Isn't this so pretty? This is a keepsake. Congratulations, you guys. This is awesome. So pretty. Wow. Wow. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to be there with bells on. I can't not wait.